The founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria and Niger, Professor Prof Gwarzo, has charged the pioneer students of NorthWest University Sokoto to face their studies with seriousness in order to achieve their desired career goals. Professor Gwarzo gave the charge during the university's maiden matriculation ceremony held on Saturday, the 12th of August 2023 at its permanent site located at Kalambaina Industrial Layout, Sokoto State. He enjoined the matriculating students to be of good character, to project the good image of the university while advising them to shun bad company so as not to get distracted from their studies. He commended the founder of the institution, Senator Aliyu Wamako, for establishing the first private university in the state with the state-of-the-art facilities, stressing that the institution would join the league of reputable international universities. Professor Gwarzo, who described Wamako as a progressive leader that invests tremendously in the development of the youth, noting that MAAUN and NUS share some similarities as both institutions are committed to becoming centers of innovation and impact-based research. In his address, the Vice-Chancellor of the University, Professor Ahmad Maigari Ibrahim, said that the university kick-started academic activities with no fewer than 200 students across 3 faculties and 15 departments. According to him, NWUS is not only a certificate-given institution, but one committed to creating an environment that encourages intellectual curiosity, critical thinking, and personal growth. Professor Maigari, who congratulated the students for securing admission into the institution, assured them of the university's readiness to provide them with the best educational experience, a stimulating and inclusive environment, as well as opportunity for personal growth and development. Also speaking, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, lauded the NWUS for organizing such a colorful event and for inviting high-profile personalities from various fields of endeavors to witness the historic occasion. He expressed optimism that the university, with its experienced faculties, amazing structure and facilities, has the capacity to compete favorably with its peers in the nearest future. Earlier in a speech, the founder of the university, Senator Aliyu Takarda Wamako, said the vision of NWUS is to create an environment where knowledge thrives and success is measured not just by grades but by positive impact individuals have in the society. Wamako, who extended deepest gratitude to the students for choosing the institution, thanked all the guests for sparing their precious time to witness the event. He also thanked the Vice-Chancellor of the university, Professor Maigari, and his team for putting the university on a pedestal of rapid growth within the shortest period of time. In his remarks, the Secretary General of the Association of African Private University, AAPU, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, expressed satisfaction with the degree of seriousness of the university in putting world-class facilities, as well as the amazing number of candidates in the institution. He gave assurance of the AAPU's commitment to partner with the university with a view to providing with all the necessary support for the development of the institution to international standard. Among other prominent personalities that graced the event include the Governor of Sokoto, Alhaji Ahmad Aliyu, Vice-Chancellor Franco-British International University Kaduna, Professor Abdullahi Muhammad Sabo, and Vice President Administration MAAUN Maradi, Dr. Shaibu Tanko.